Ride the wave, ride the wave. Ride the wave, there go the wave.
Florida. It used to be called Campground, and then they closed it down. So we're going there.
Oh, thank you.
You made it.
Yes, we did.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I know you guys. How you doing?
All right.
You do?
Yeah. I'm blanking on the channel name right now.
Really?
Yeah, I saw you guys when you came through. I didn't see you, but I saw your videos when you were up in Mackinac.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's
my
us.
wife and I are camper-sized living.
Really?
We commented on some of your
Adventure
stuff. Yeah.
Bandits.
Adventure Bandits. I just saw one of your videos pop up the other day.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Awesome.
Cool. Guys, it looks like your bandits have found their way back to the beach. We are here. We got this umbrella so low because it is so hot here. I mean, hot. We have not yet got in the water. That's probably why we're so hot. So we're still at the beach. Anyway, this video is sponsored by Energizer. Yes, Energizer actually sponsoring this video. So let me show you something. Energizer has sent us this nice little cool little power bank. Alright. You know how much your bandits love using power bank. This power bank here is like a little compact power bank. Nice handle, big, nice and sturdy. Has a light here. It has two fast charging USB port, a USB-C out and a USB-C in. All right, it has AC and DC. So check it out. That's your AC plugs. You can charge tablets, phones. With the phone brick, you can charge any type of small electronic or item. This is, I believe this actually is 350 watts. It's a nice little power bank, and we're out here using it. We do love these power banks. But the reason why we got it, because if you notice right here, I call it the cigarette lighter plug, but it has one of those output 12 volt cigarette lighter plug. And we have, that's the air pump, and that air pump goes to our paddle boards. So we promise you guys that we're gonna give these paddle boards a chance. We're gonna give them a try. Shanti's gonna give hers a chance, and I'm gonna give mine a try. So I'm about to put this paddle board together, and we're about to get out here on this turquoise water.
Yeah.
Enjoy the water.
I'm hot though. I'm hot. It's hot out here.
It's hot.
Woo.
You see,
I'd rather be here than inside of a of a cave right now.
See, we really see the thing about it though, we really can't complain that we're hot because we got the water right in front of us.
So we just gotta jump in.
So we just gotta get in that water, but first we gotta put these paddle boards together to get into that water. So that's what I'm about to do, guys.
Oh, I would say this, you guys, since Outdoor Master sent us these beautiful paddle boards, they sent us the manual pump, and I would definitely suggest investing in the electric pump to use to pump up.
This is the electric pump. Yep. And I found out a regular pump don't work. You can go to Home Depot and try to get a pump, a regular pump,
like a tire pump.
Yeah, to blow something up. That stuff that don't work. I had to buy their own pump. The reason why, because they got like
the different attachments.
Yeah, they got like special attachments that go to it, and that blows up the paddle board.
And just so that you guys know, we bought this ourselves. Okay.
We bought the pump ourselves.
Yeah, we bought the pumps ourselves. They gave us this to try out, but we bought the pumps ourselves because, again, we're giving our opinion on everything. And hopefully, for those that are interested in these paddle boards, you'll know exactly which one to get and all of the accessories to get, because we're willing to invest in that too, because why? It's a part of the adventure while camping.
So guys, we're about to put this Energizer power bank that has been charging our phones to use. We're gonna blow up these paddle boards and we're gonna get out in this water. So Shanti's gonna try out the paddle board. This water is not deep. It's not deep.
I know.
So I gotta get you past this level. Just go for the ride. Go for the ride. Be in for the ride. See what? You see how look how crystal clear this water is, guys. You see all the minnows in the water? Look at that, look at that, look at that. See all the minnows?
Yeah.
Running? You gonna try to stand up? Uh-oh. Look at that. Look how clear it is. See, Saki, we're not deep at all. You gotta be careful, okay? You gotta that up.
Okay.
We're not deep at all.
Okay, babe.
You see them people standing up?
Yep.
Look at her. Look at her, y'all. That's all you gotta do. How you like it? Try standing up. I won't record you if you fall. You want me to hold the board?
No.
Guys, she gonna try standing up on her own. She watched a lot of YouTube. So she, oh. Okay. Ah. Come on, you gotta have no balance.
Alright.
You almost had it. There she go. I'm gonna stop it from rocking. I got you. The board need more air. I can tell you're too far up too.
Yeah.
You need to come back.
Okay. I think it needs more air.
Yeah, me too. That 15 psi is not good. You wanna go back?
It said PSI.
I know it's at
No
15.
more than 15.
But look.
Yeah, it's like
It
feels
it's
kind of like a water bed.
Yeah, it's ditting in.
Where it's not like super firm.
Mm-hmm. It should be
And
like
I also know that they said that you shouldn't go over the amount because
why?
Because they said that heat also inflates it.
Oh.
So,
Oh. Okay.
I got out here though.
Yeah, you did good.
I got out here. Look, I'm gonna be like that one day.
This guy out here, she said she's gonna be like that.
I am.
We're gonna be down here.
I'm gonna do
So-
it on these boards.
So we're gonna be in Florida all winter again. And if anybody know Florida, especially the area that we're in, it used to be in the 70s. Sometimes it hit 80s. So on those 80 days, we're gonna have these boards with us.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be out on the water. And we're gonna be showing y'all, I won't call y'all snowbirds because y'all gonna still be at home watching us. But y'all like honorary snowbirds because y'all gonna be watching us and y'all gonna feel like y'all with us. And really in spirit, y'all are with us.
Yeah.
So y'all gonna be hanging with us. And we're gonna be out.
And we're gonna continue to keep doing adventures. Like
Yep.
I'm gonna pick up swimming. They have swimming there, and they have an athletic director there. So
And see, that's proof right there.
Yeah.
You're never too old to learn.
he just called me old.
Who said you can't teach an old dog new tricks?
Yeah, that's sure right, baby. So that means there's hope for you for cooking.
Oh, whatever. But anyway, let us stop because somebody gonna get serious. Oh, you shouldn't be like that. You're so mean to her. That's what they say to us all the time. We so mean. But we just be playing. That's how we play.
Yeah.
That's how we play. We can't have fun with each other. We're not allowed to have fun, guys.
Right. And I'm his only best friend.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
See?
So.
No, no, you went a little too far. She went a little too far.
It is beautiful though, you guys.
It is.
Look at this.
The water is aqua blue.
And who would have ever have thought this was due to camping? We are camping on the beach.
Yeah, we are on the beach. The bandits are on the beach.
Wow, look at that. So what kind of fish is that?
That's a Spanish mackerel.
A Spanish mackerel?
Yep.
And how would you cook them?
I'm not sure, but I'll find out. There you see his teeth.
Oh, wow, look. Ooh, 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 ooh. Uh-oh. Wow,
Yeah.
look at that. Good job.
Thank you.
I would have to say, you caught so many fish, and some of them you lost them, but some you had to let go, and
I've been busy.
you have, wait, you've only been out here for a whole hour though.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's all.
Something straightened one of my hooks. Look at that.
Wow. So this is one of the shower houses here. I do want to check it out. Camping on the Gulf. So nice little hallway. See what they got. Not bad. Pretty clean.
Want to take a shower together?
Oh, wait.
Take a shower.
Go for it. I want to see. So this is where you can wash up before you go
I guess
into
it's
the.
good for your feet, though.
Yeah, I like that.
So we have been stuck in our RV for the last 4 hours. It had rain, it had thunderstorm. It stopped raining for a hot second, and it stormed again. Now it is hot and sunny, and the sun is actually out today. The sun is out today. So look at this big huge puddle.
Is that normal for Florida?
What?
I said,
How you
is that
doing?
normal for Florida to have?
Yeah, frequent showers, yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
We're actually right on the Gulf, so the ocean can bring in storms.
Right.
Anyway, she wanna go and pet her alligator.
His name is Bubba.
And the alligator got a name.
Yep, Bubba the alligator, and he's supposed to be really friendly, very kind, very, you know, he likes to, very playful. I heard he likes to play.
A playful alligator?
Yeah.
I bet he don't play with his food.
That's true. But I heard that the owner has dogs, and he does tug of war with his siblings, with the dog. So I want to see this.
So guys, I wanted to go to the beach, so I ended up coming with Shanti to see a pet gator, and she dragged me here. I told her I would go on the beach and hang out and wait for her to come, and she would not let me do that.
Look at this, you guys. So you can come here, you can stay at a yurt. They have yurts, they have cabanas, they have huts, cute little playgrounds, they have cornhole here.
So being that the sun just came out, everybody's headed to the beach, and we headed the opposite way. Everybody want to pet a gator and take a picture with a gator. I dare them do it with a wild gator.
Put your hand right here. You ready? Good job, sir.
So Bubba is 26 years old. He just had a birthday last week.
You can lean down close to your pocket. Yes, sir. Good job. So I was the one that don't want to get near the gator to play the most, right? When he goes to walk by, push him right on that thing.
Beautiful.
When I hang out with a big group, I like their, what you would call them, I would call them pavilions, but they're really tents, and they have them stationed right next to the check-in center. So it's also cool. Pretty nice place. Again, it is a little tight, but you're giving up something, and I like the beach. So to park closer to the water, you give up space, but they have sites that are in the back. Well, actually, when you first enter in, that I consider big rig friendly. I think this is like their second pool that they have here, but
Bandits out!
yes!
after traveling 4.5 hours from Destin, Florida, we decided to stop in Birmingham, like a quick overnight. We are supposed to be arriving in Tennessee tomorrow.